Bye, baby. I'm going to make videos.
Okay, bye. I love you.
Can I get a hug and a kiss?
I guess.
Has your front load washing machine made you a walking stink bomb? Have you caught your cat trying to bury your clothes? Do flowers wilt when you walk by? If so, you need OdorKlenz, the earth-friendly laundry additive designed to remove stinky odors from your clothes. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, general preparedness, and, at least in this case, anti-stinkiness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So I know right about now you're probably wondering, what in the world am I thinking talking about stinky shirts? And I could honestly stretch and try to tie it into the gray man concept, and you don't want to be noticed, or maybe you're a hunter or whatever, but you know, the reality is I've got a problem in my life that based upon my search in Google for answers to, a lot of other people have also. Maybe you have the same issue. Hopefully, if so, this will help you. So bottom line, I've got a front load washing machine that makes my clothes stink, and it's ruined some of my favorite shirts and my favorite clothes. So I got on the internet, was looking around trying to find solutions. You know, they say to use vinegar. I tried using vinegar. I tried using like different essential oils. I tried several different home remedies. Nothing that I found worked. So I happened to be on the internet one night, and I saw a company called OdorKlenz has got a product that is, we'll call it earth-friendly, because everything in here is just stuff that seems pretty normal. It is designed and supposed to help remove odors from clothing, and also they have another little thing that is designed to make front-load washers not stink. So anyway, I contacted them and said, hey, look, you know what? I've got this problem. And I've got a YouTube channel. Maybe if you can help me solve this problem, I can show it to some other people. We can help them solve the problem. We could work together and create a win-win situation. So they agreed to send me a couple of bottles of their stuff and to sponsor this video, and I agreed to give it a shot and test it and see if we can get rid of the stink in my shirts. And hopefully that'll be helpful to you if you got the same problem. So that's what this video is going to be about. Again, it's not enough. I know it's a stretch, but just kind of like the Heal That Pain foot inserts that I showed for my feet, they really helped me a whole lot, and I had a lot of people tell me they helped them. So hopefully this is kind of in the same vein. You know, if you're looking for a knife review, just stay tuned. There'll be another one coming up soon. But anyway, I have probably a 15-year-old Maytag Neptune washer. I know that Maytag guy's probably sitting around twiddling his thumbs, but I think he may have a clothespin on his nose, because this thing makes my clothes stink. And there's a little like a seal around it. It looks like it's got mold and mildew on it. I have replaced that, tried to clean that off. It won't come off. It's just, I don't know what it is that causes this thing to make my clothes stink. So here's what we did. First, I took the front load washer deodorizer, and I put a half a cup in a load, just normal, with nothing in it, no clothes in it. A normal load with warm water, and I ran a half a cup of this through the entire load. That's supposed to sanitize the washer where it doesn't stink. Now, to be honest with you, I never can really smell anything in the washer anyway, but I went on and did this. But what I can smell it in is the clothes afterward. And it's not like sweat smell. It's not like something got on it from exterior. It is like this funky, mildewy, soury, really nasty smell. And it permeates my clothes. And it's got, look, some of my favorite shirts, like this one, have been what I thought was ruined. So I'm really hoping that the OdorKlenz can salvage some of those. I mean, some of my favorite clothes, right? So here's what we're going to do. I've already done the sanitization or cleaning or deodorizing or whatever you want to call it of the washer itself. Now I'm going to put the clothes in here, and I'm going to show you tell you what the instructions say to use. And this is good for front loaders or top loaders, and there's instructions on the back that tell you how to use it for which one. We're going to use this one for my front loader. So the main thing you want to do is not overload it. First of all, you want to make sure the clothes have plenty of room to swish around. So and I've got a half a cup of it here already in this little homemade measuring cup I got. So the OdorKlenz can get all through the clothing and it's not trapped, and, you know, it's not blocked from part of it because you got too many clothes in there wadded up. And then it says to use it on warm water. So I've got about this many clothes. Got a Grand Canyon shirt here. Got one of my favorite Second Amendment cowboy shirts. Survival on Purpose shirt. My, oh yeah, hog holster shirt. Several others. I won't bore you with all that. We're going to put all these in here, and that's not at all a full load. So we got about probably 10 t-shirts in there. Not very many. I'm going to close this thing up, open it up, put it on a warm cycle, a half a cup, and it says just put it in also with your regular laundry detergent. Don't just, you got to use detergent with this also. So we'll put a scoop of detergent, a cap full of detergent really in there, because I use liquid. And by the way, the OdorKlenz is available in liquid or powder. They sent me the liquid, so I put that in there. Also says don't use it with bleach or vinegar or anything else. Only your detergent and OdorKlenz. So we're going to do that. We're going to pour that right in there like that. And it's kind of thick and white, as you can see. Pour that in. Push the start button on warm water. We're going to let it go. Also, I forgot to mention, every one of those shirts that I just put in there, they have all failed the wife test, okay? My wife has got a nose like a bloodhound, and if something stinks, she can smell it before I get out of the bedroom, it seems like. She's like, I can just tell, but I can really tell by the look on her face after I give her a hug. So all those have been deemed stinky by my wife, so we're going to put them in there, let them go through the cycle, put them in the dryer, and then we'll do the nose test from Mrs. Survival on Purpose. And then I'm going to wear them for a couple days, or okay, I'm not going to wear the same shirt for a couple days, but I'm going to wear them, several of them, over a few days just to see if the smell's actually gone, because sometimes I can smell it even after I've worn it for a couple hours. So that's what we're going to do, and we'll come back and continue our anti-stink campaign. So, wash a load of clothes. Took them out. These are 3 of the worst smelling shirts. I could even smell these before. What do you think? Be honest.
I'm going to be honest. I don't smell them.
Seriously.
I don't smell anything bad.
What about my hog holster shirt?
I don't smell that one. It's usually right here. I don't know why. I don't smell anything.
And my elixir
it's a miracle.
Don't mind the pitter patter of the dog feet.
I think they passed my nose test.
Man, I'm telling you what, that is, it's amazing to me.
Miracle.
Seriously. What all did we try? We tried vinegar,
baking soda, essential oils, different detergents.
everything.
Anything that anybody told me to try, I tried.
Multiple times.
Multiple times.
One load of OdorKlenz. I'm amazed. I gotta say, it really works. Okay, well, after one treatment of the washing machine with the front load washer deodorizer here, and one cycle of laundry with a laundry additive and detergent, nothing else, you can see that my clothes have passed the first hurdle. They passed the wipe test. So I decided I would wear them for a few days and go over the real world test and just make sure they didn't start stinking when I was sweating and everything, because it's been like 90 degrees here in Georgia. I work in construction outside and in unheated, unconditioned areas a lot, so I sweat a lot at work, and no stink, none whatsoever. I actually washed some of the clothes again in the washer without any additive or without another treatment, just to make sure it wasn't a one-time thing or I didn't have to treat the washer every time or anything. They came out fine, no stink. Wore them a couple of days, no stink. So I have to say right now, I am a complete huge fan of OdorKlenz. They really did solve a lot of my problems. Bye, baby. I'm going to make videos.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Okay, well, all kidding aside, I got to say, after trying a lot of different stuff, including a couple of other commercial products that I'd almost forgotten about until I looked in my laundry, OdorKlenz is the only thing that actually worked for me, and it worked very, very quickly, very well. So if you have a problem with stinky clothes from whatever reason, from a front load washer, from pet odors, from locker room odors, or whatever, I highly recommend you give OdorKlenz a try. I'll put a link to their website below in the description below. I'll try to put one right up here. If you're on a mobile device, just click anywhere, click right here, and a little white circle with the eye, and it'll come up here in the corner, and then the links will come down here. If you click on that, it'll be a clickable link and take you to their website, where you can check out more about OdorKlenz and purchase it if you so desire. And if you got some stinky clothes, I highly recommend it. So once again, thanks to the folks at OdorKlenz for solving my stinky clothes problem and for sponsoring this video. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, and very often random videos throughout the week. There's another one right there. If you're not a subscriber, you can fix that by clicking right down in the corner and click that little notification bell thingy, and you won't miss a single video. So I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident. So be prepared. I'll see you next time.